I'll be teaching a coupon class on the basics of couponing and some different ways you can save money at the grocery store and drugstores using coupons and different sales and promotions that are going on. Use coupons with purpose. If you're not going to eat the item, if you're not going to be able to use the item, consider donating it or consider giving that coupon to someone else who could use it. Just because you have a coupon doesn't mean that you should use it. And just because you have a coupon doesn't mean that you should buy it when it's at full price. I really want you to get a mindset of waiting till items go on sale or there's other store promotions going on that you can double dip into different deals so that you can really save a lot more. That's your strategy. You also want to, as I mentioned before, stockpile, so buy a couple of extra. You'll see sales cycles that go in maybe 6-week cycles, and then some others that go in 3-month cycles. So you want to keep an eye on when the next Kellogg's cereal deal comes out, and just pick up a couple of extras that will tide you over for the next few weeks. I will tell you, you can go overboard. You can go extreme. But I really like to suggest that you do a more simple strategy, looking at the stores that you already shop at, and just focus on ways to save there. I save thousands of dollars a year just by using coupons and being more strategic in my shopping. So I won't just use a coupon on an item. I'll wait till that item goes on sale or there's another promotion going on at that store, such as buy 5, get $5 off automatically. For me, and this is going to differ for each person, but here in our area, my rock bottom price for boneless chicken breasts is $1.99 per pound. Now, I could save a little bit more money if I bought the whole chicken on sale and and cooked it and prepared it that way. But I like the convenience factor a little bit. So I wait until chicken breasts go on sale for $1.99 a pound. For sources of coupons, you can find those in your Sunday newspaper, like the Washington Post and the Washington Examiner. I also, list out some different online resources where you can print coupons in case you're not able to get your hands on the newspaper inserts.